Hi everyone, hi, this is Christine Crow here, and welcome to the 30-day challenge for the CEOs. So today is about the AI to automate and also enhance efficiency as well. So welcome to the 30-day challenge. This is day 9. I can't believe it. We're already in day 9 already, and I'm super excited to share with you today's training about leveraging AI. Everybody is aware of what AI is, and what we need to do as CEOs is actually start using it if you're not using it already. It's something that I will highly recommend, is that you use AI. And if you use AI, or you get the virtual assistant that you are having working for your organization, they can use AI as well. But there's things that can be automated that can free up people's time, so you can get virtual assistants to do other things as well. So there's lots of benefits to AI. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about this. So let's begin, shall we? Because I don't want you to miss this, because it is something which we're really into AI. Everyone is talking about chat GTP, and I call it chatty in all honesty, but that's something which is really beneficial if you are a solopreneur, if you are a CEO and you're just starting out, or even if you're in your multiple 7 figures, 8-figure business, for example. It is really about making things easier for you. It's about working smarter, not harder. You know, the AI is like a brain, a super brain that you can use to give you and to do things for you. You know, it can type things up in a matter of, seconds. It is just remarkable. You know, I use it all the time now, and, I wouldn't be without it because of what I've actually gotten from that as well. So it's just amazing. So, like I said, this is what I'm going to be covering some of this. So AI, it can reduce your repetitive task. It also provides data whereby, it is driven, and it gives you insights to how things are doing in your organization as well. And it will streamline operations. Look, AI can even give you advice. You can put the information in and it can tell you, look, try this, try that, try this. It is a good thing to have. Okay? So it really can streamline your operations. You can put in what your reports are. You can even put a presentation in, and it will read it and tell you, what else you could add in there that's going to make it really engaging, for example. Now, AI, it isn't just for tech companies, which a lot of people used to think it's only for techie companies. And it's accessible and beneficial to all industries, including healthcare and home care agencies. Look, it can do your rotas for you. It can do so much. It really can. And I'm working with an organization as well to develop a software, and I'm super excited, but it's going to be going out soon, and this software is going to be amazing. You're going to love it. So the key benefits of AI for the CEO, it will enhance the productivity, improve your customer engagement, data-driven decision making as well. So AI chatbots for customer service and engagement is very good. One tool that I could suggest to you and would suggest to you is it's called Intercom. It's a versatile platform that uses AI to answer customer inquiries and streamlines onboarding and provides personalized support. Imagine that. You get a customer, and straight away, boom, they get a response email saying welcome. These are the things you need to think about. This is what we're going to be providing for you. This is what AI does now. And I'm just drinking my my tea. So imagine that. You just put this, click a button, and it's done. You haven't got to send an email. You haven't got to upload the information, for example. It's just amazing. Another one is Drift. It's a conversational AI tool designed for B2B customer engagement. And this is ideal for automating lead qualifications and initial client communication. It's amazing. There's the chat, as we all know, Chat GPT and or OpenAI API, for example. That's useful for creating custom and chat solutions, handling frequently asked questions, and providing 24-hour support. Hello. This is just, it's remarkable. When you are like the CEO and you're acting like an octopus, get Chat GPT in and get the bots in so that they can do the hard work for you. So it frees up your time. So you can do the things that you as the director is meant to do. And the same with your team members as well. Whether you get a virtual assistant or not, the virtual assistant can work from the AI, for example, because, they're able to do that. And especially our VAs, because they are trained in these as well. Okay, as well as they are trained in healthcare as well. And I think that's really important because we got to think about the GDPR, the privacy of people's data. It must not be misused in any way. Otherwise, that is a breach. And you can report that to the GDPR as well, organizations, or your HIPAA, for example. So that's really important because you don't want to compromise your company's information that you have for your clients, for example. So be mindful of that as well. So how does it work? So the AI chatbots, they handle repetitive tasks so that you don't have to. This is reducing the need for human customer service support. You know what it's like? You've got a 24-hour on-call, for example, when something could actually be dealt with through a chatbot, for example. Yeah, like, where's my carer? They just type it in, where's my carer? And then the chatbot says, carer is at location, blah, 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 will be with you in 10 minutes. Hello. If it's urgent and it's, it needs that human touch, then you need to have that human touch straight away. It's not replacing humans. So they can provide instant responses and improving customer service satisfaction and retention as well. So the chatbots can be working behind the scene and shooting off emails as long as you've programmed it right, for example. That is key. So another one that you can think about is AI powered. This is task automated tools that you can think of, which is Zapier, as most of us know about. This connects various apps to automate tasks like emailing your clients, updating spreadsheets, and setting calendar events. There's also Make, it's called, as well. So this allows complex workflows and integrates with a wide range of apps to automate daily processes. Look, there's Microsoft Power Automate. We've all seen that Capital, for example. But it works within the Microsoft ecosystem, which is ideal for automating your task in Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint as well. There's so much things that we're not using. Well, it's just like our brains. We're not using everything that our brain can actually do for us. We're just using a small percentage of that. But this is the same with the AI. We're not using all of these facilities that's been given to us, and it is such a shame because the team members need to really get on and learn about these new things so that they're able to work with it, and it will also reduce their workload where they can focus on giving more quality, not quantity work. It's quality, and that is key for running a successful business, for example. Like I said, this will allow you to focus on your core task without getting bogged down by repetitive administration tasks, for example, work. So AI for document management and workflow is efficient. Notion AI is very good. It enhances the popular productivity tool Notion by suggesting, and I'm going to go through some of these trainings as well, which will generate ideas and handling data organizations. There's DocuSign and PandaDoc. This is an AI-powered document automation tool that makes contract management, signing, and task more efficient. Just press of a button who you want the email to go, who needs to sign the document, the contract, for example, and boom, it's done. You're not uploading it on or scanning it on your computer and then doing electronic signature, then sending it to the client, and the client then signs it and sends it back to you. Whereas the DocuSign, boom, 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 it gets done. Everyone's email, they sign it, and then it goes back to a central thing for you to also get a copy via email as well to say that that's been completed without you having to chase up and ring, did you sign that document? I sent it 3 days ago, or I sent it a week ago or a month ago. There's also Grammarly as well, and there's Quillbot. This helps you with writing and editing. This is saving time on email drafts, proposal, and reports as well. CEOs, it's about working smarter, not harder. We always used to think by working hard that we were doing such a good job, and that, yeah, we're working hard, and this is how it is, and we're going to complete this for you, and we're going to burn ourselves out, basically. Whereas with this, it will help alleviate any stress, it will help alleviate any burnout, it will hopefully prevent burnout, so you can stay focused. AI-driven writing and editing tools speed up your content creation, helping CEO communicate more effectively. You're the CEO, you can communicate with your clients, you can pick the phone up, you can, just spend more time communicating rather than this, let's email and I'm going to send this and it doesn't quite sound right, someone's read it wrong, and then you're then in this loop of trying to explain yourself where you have to pick the phone up and say, look, what I meant was this. I think there's a mix-up, It's always good to think about that. So, let AI do the repetitive tasks for you. And the next thing that I want to talk about is the AI analytics for informed decisions. And I'm just going to grab my tea. So, tool suggestions, Google Analytics with AI highlights. AI-driven insights that help understand customer behavior and track your key performance indicators. That's your quality assurance. Instead of you you got this document and you're picking the phone up and then you're calling the client and asking them was they happy with the service, and then there's all these different questions on the quality assurance sheets, for example, whereas this can go off by email. They just tick, 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 or cross, 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 boom, done, sign it, off you go. It goes back to you. In a nutshell, things can be done a lot quicker. So there is HubSpot with AI tools, and this is a predictive analytic for sales and marketing. So it's great for tracking client engagement, lead nurturing. You can see who's opened up the emails. You can see how far they've gone, whether they've clicked a certain thing, whether they was ready to buy, for example. There's lots of different reasons why people aren't able to be present at your presentation, for example. But you can see if they've opened up the email that you've sent, for example. So there's also Einstein Analytics as well, Salesforce, and this is for visualizing data trends, perfect for you, the CEO, to make data-driven decisions rather than waiting till, the last moment for you to see, oh, that's why that didn't work. It's because of this, that, and the other. So, how it helps you, often valuable insights into customer behavior, revenue patterns, and operational efficiency. You want to help the CEO, which is you, make better informed decision by presenting data in easy to understand format. That's you. So, predictive AI is another one for business growth. Tool suggestions is Crystal Knows, for example, an AI-powered tool that provides personality, for example, insights, helping CEOs tailor communication for sales and marketing, for example, networking. HubSpot is a predictive lead sourcing. This identifies high potential leads and segment clients based on prediction data on Salesforce. Einstein is where you are predicting and identifying high performing areas in the business and how it helps. So AI predictive tools can forecast your trends, identify your clients' needs, and other insights into the potential growth area. So supportive strategy, planning by identifying where resources and focus will be yield at the return on investment, for example, ROI. Tips for getting started. You want to start with automation, i.e. customer service and analytics, and gradually you want to work yourself through the tools, for example, to see what suits your company at the right time, because you will develop, so you will grow, like I mentioned yesterday or the day before, that not all your team members will be there with you when you're at your multiple seven figures, for example. So it's important to test and tweak and look at your workflow to ensure that they align with your specific business needs. You want to prioritize your tools with robust support and documentation, as they are more likely to integrate smoothly. So, suggested actions that you could take. You want to do an audit current processes. You want to identify the repetitive tasks that could benefit from AI. Do an audit for AI. See whether it can be done by a staff, or see whether this particular thing can be done by AI, which is going to save you thousands. Select one AI tool to implement today. Pick a tool based on today's session that aligns with your immediate needs, i.e. your chatbot for customer service. You want to create a loop. After implementing a tool, gathering feedback from your team and how it affects efficiency and adopts its needed change, for example. So some suggested reading that is following on from the AI discussion that we've had today, the training, is suggested reading, but there's Follow-up AI, Superpowers by Kai-Fu Lee, understand how AI is reshaping industries. So you want to explore webinars or tutorials offered by the AI tool, discuss for further hands-on as well. So just remember that you can do quite a lot if you've got the AI tools. Start with Chat GTP, for example. I would start with that first, and then there's other ones that I mentioned in here as well. Now, it's important that we look at this so that you're able to look at implementing the software, for example. And there's plenty of companies out there that do AI and software, for example, combined together, that's going to really make your experience even better, for example. And that's how you should be feeling with your own organization. So I hope that you found today helpful, directors, CEOs, and I look forward to doing the training again tomorrow. Today is day 9, so we're almost halfway through. So we're doing really well. So keep up the good work, and I look forward to speaking with you all very soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get further updates on what's happening and when we have these live events as well as reading the newspaper as well. So I hope everyone stays blessed. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you. Goodbye.